Today I'll share the recipe of two exciting and very tasty chutneys that are commonly used in Indian chaats, sandwiches, and are one of the basic ingredients of Indian street food. I have a sweet and sour tamarind chutney and a very beautiful green chutney made of corianders and mint leaves. Both are equally flavorful, and the good thing is that we can actually make this imli chutney or tamarind chutney and store it for 1 to 2 months. So let's begin with these exciting recipes. Hey guys, I am Subankari and I welcome you back to my channel Choose Food Corner. I hope you all are doing great in your lives, and if you are new to this page, do subscribe to my page and do not forget to tap the bell button. And thank you all for loving my channel so much and liking my videos so much. So let's begin. First we'll be making sweet and sour tamarind chutney or imli chutney. For that I have taken here seedless tamarind or imli around 100 grams. This can vary from place to place, but basically we need seedless and saltless tamarind, and I need to soak this in boiling water for good 15 to 20 minutes. And I have taken here around 1.5 cups of boiling water, and this need to be soaked till it becomes soft and mushy. You can also boil them in normal water for 10 minutes in a pan, but I use this method, and see the result is that it has become soft, mushy, and it's looking very soft. I need to first squeeze out the extra seeds or anything cover you have in this way. So I first use my hands to squish them out. You can always use a strainer for this purpose, but I basically prefer my hands for to initially separate this, and once I get the pulp, then I'll use a strainer to make a more smooth puree out of it. See, this now goes in a strainer, and after straining this will become super smooth. And if you are boiling the imli or tamarind first in hot water, rather than soaking it, there might be a slight color difference, but we want a smooth pulp in this way. Now I have heated a kadhai in medium flame, and to it I have added 1.5 teaspoon of oil, and then goes Heeng around half teaspoon. Let the Heeng crackle for just 10 to 30 seconds, and then I'll add the pulp in medium flame, and then increase the flame to highest and wait till a nice boils come to this pulp. And you can see as the pulp starts to cook, it gradually changes color. You can see in my video. And at this stage I have added 150 grams of jaggery or gur. I have used it in powder form. You can also use sugar at this stage, but this gives a very nice color and taste. So this goes in, mix everything, and as this mixture starts to cook, it will start to thicken. You can see gradually in my videos. So just wait for 5 to 6 minutes and let it simmer for on medium high flame. In this way you can see it starts to change color, and the consistency also changes. So 1 teaspoon of salt goes in, cumin powder or jeera powder 1 teaspoon goes in, Saunth powder or dry ginger powder goes here 1 teaspoon. This gives the very peculiar taste of this imli or tamarind chutney, and after adding the Saunth and cumin powder, you can see the texture has started to thicken, and overall the color has changed a bit. At this stage I'll add Kashmiri red chili powder around 1 teaspoon. You can increase the amount, and black salt around half teaspoon to give that extra tang, and red chilli flakes I'll add here 1 teaspoon. This gives a very nice flavor. Now mix everything and cook for 5 to 6 minutes more, and you can see scrape from the sides because the chutney will start to thicken. And after cooking for 6 to 7 minutes more, you can see a very thick creamy type of texture. And see, this is what it becomes after cooking for 10 to 12 minutes or max 15 minutes. You can see beautiful, the chutney is looking awesome. Turn off the flame and let it cool on room temperature, and after 2 hours I'll just show you the consistency. It's just perfect, silky smooth, and the texture is awesome. Store it in an airtight container, and it can be kept in fridge for good 1 to 2 months, and you can use it in variety of ways, sandwiches, chaats, and a range of Indian street foods. So it's ready, and it tastes so nice. Once you will make it, you will love them, especially in the month of Kartik or any month in which we don't eat non-veg. This comes handy. Next we will be preparing green chutney or coriander mint chutney. Here I have a bunch of fresh coriander leaves with the stem. I have washed it and I have taken it, and half the amount of coriander leaves I have taken mint leaves, and this goes inside the blender, and 3 to 4 large garlic cloves, and green chilies I have taken here 3 to 4, ginger around 1 inch, and I could not record 2 ingredients. I had actually placed the mint leaf, so it was not possible for me to again show it back to you. That's 3 tablespoons of bundi or save, 1 tablespoon of roasted chana dal, and lemon I have added here around 1.5 teaspoon. A half teaspoon I will add later, and water I have added around 2 to 3 tablespoons according to my requirement, and I have nicely blended it to give a smooth texture, and this texture comes because of I have added the bundi or save, either of the two, and roasted chana dal, and as I said I will add little more lemon juice more. The total I have added around 2 teaspoon of lemon juice, and 1 tablespoon of rock salt goes in at this stage. And now mix everything, and you can see how nice body my chutney has acquired, and what a lovely green color. It's all because of the save or bundi that we had added and the roasted chana dal. So do give this recipe a try with all the ingredients. As I said, I could not record the 2 ingredients, so do not forget to add those. And the imli chutney, you can see it's perfect consistency with a beautiful texture. So I hope you have liked my videos. Do give this recipe a try, and do not forget to subscribe to my page. See you in next video. Till then, stay safe, love life, and happy fooding.